Okay, this is a quick overview on how you're going to create what your wiki page is going to look like and how you're going to organize the content. So every page you create on the wiki for your group projects will need to have a table of contents. The way the table of contents works is it creates a link between parts of it. So as you see, I click on it, it's moving up and down through the pages. These are what we call anchor tags, and they allow you to navigate quickly, a little bit like what they do for Wikipedia. So it's the same idea. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you first get your page, it's going to look a lot like this. It's just going to have this page doesn't exist, hit the edit button. So when you hit the edit button, it will take you to the navigation where you can create the content. So right now, just to create a table of contents, you do bracket bracket TOC bracket bracket. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. And when we hit save, you can see quickly what it's going to do is it's going to put a table of contents here on the right side. Okay, so once we have that, then we need to know what it is we're going to actually be working on and the for our what we want to have the table of contents for. Okay, so you're going to notice a couple things. If you just start typing in the windows, this is what we call normal text, and it looks like this. Normal text will not go to the table of contents. So if you want to put something in the table of contents, you need to give it a heading tag, and so that's one of these choices. Okay, and you can do it based on where you want it in the table of contents, as far as if you want it all the way to the left or sort of indented. Okay, so you can determine. So your main things you're going to want to put in heading 1 tag. Okay, so the first thing we're going to probably want is our summary. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is a divider line. So that divider line is going to show this is the summary that will be below that. Okay, you can hit a couple returns, and then what we're going to be working on, you probably want to do your Google presentation. Okay. And again, we're doing divider, and then lastly, we're going to add a couple more. But what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and save it so you can see kind of what it looks like. All right, so you can see what's happened is its code's gotten kind of messed up. All right, so what we want to go back through is go ahead and hit edit, and you can see it didn't save what we wanted to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try it again. Now what happens is sometimes the coding doesn't work quite properly for this, and that's natural for it to do. And again, it's okay because you can always go in and fix things up. So what I'm going to do is this, and I'm going to hit that. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to also go ahead and go to the Wiki Text Editor. And the Wiki Text Editor is where you actually get to see the code of the page. So we can see what we have, our TOC, and we see it's moved down below. And I don't want it there, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. Actually, I'm going to move it down, and I'm going to scroll up and paste it in. Now I'm going to hit save, and we see that we have the equal signs surrounded around those, and then the dash 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 represents the dividing line. I'm going to go ahead and save, and my table of contents should have moved to the top. Okay, there it is, exactly where I want it. So again, if you need to clean things up, it's another way for you to sort of go in and move things around. So hopefully that's helpful, and please ask me any questions if you have any.